Mansi, how was your experience at this clinic?
I think I was more than satisfied here because I think one of the things that was bothering me a lot is no doctor was able to tell me that what was really wrong. Somebody said that it's anxiety, somebody said it's related to neuro. So it was mentally, I would say, very traumatic for me to endure that thing. What is really wrong with me? So luckily I came across Google and I visited this clinic. First of all, I read a lot of reviews on Practo, and then I thought that I'm a little bit satisfied. Let's go and try here. And I think one of the things that I really liked here is the Dr. Virmani is like very, very patient with you, and even the staff here. I think during my first visit, I was I felt very comfortable. I was able to, say my heart out. I was feeling so anxious from, 10, 15 days. And the doctor really assured me that, it's really fine. And what you're suffering, it's very normal. Because, it's very important for the patient to know that whatever I am feeling, it's normal. Because I think most of the people freak out knowing that what is really wrong with me.
Yes, because this is happening to you for the very first time.
Yeah.
You don't have any idea what is it.
Yeah.
So, and many a times what our mind does that it, pushes us into the Googling it.
Yeah.
So once we Google it, then you will get again confused.
Yeah.
Everything will start with a small pain and it will end in cancer. Even a headache, everything will end in cancer.
Yeah, that's really happened because, because I was like so confused what is really wrong. I start Googling a lot of things. And if I type like tremors, it was giving me Parkinson, ALS, and it really freaked me out. So I was like, I need to put my phone aside and really not overthink, because a lot of things makes you anxious, and mental thing, it has a lot of physical manifestation, I think, which I realized when I came here. So I think the staff here and the doctor here, they made me very comfortable, and they assured me that it's going to be fine. It's time taking. You have to be patient about it, and you cannot. If it is related to lifestyle, so it's basically a lifestyle disease. We all of us are working remotely, and we don't realize we are enduring so much. We are pushing ourselves. We are working beyond our office hours, and most of the time we think we are young, we can endure it. And I think that's why I was mistaken, and I thought that I can go 2 days without sleeping, and that's what happened. And my body, I think it answered the clock. Remember that it's really time to slow down and think about yourself. And I think I was in a bad way, but I've realized the lesson.
Nice.
Yeah.
And the tests which you had undergone, were they annoying you? The tests which you underwent, the neuro test and the EMG and the MCV and the EEG you underwent.
Yes, they are very mentally exhausting. When first day I went to the hospital, I thought that I can do it. It's just a normal test. Okay. One test happened. Thankfully it came out normal. Then the second test happened. And I thought my parents were also see, the doctor is not telling me what's wrong. So they were just throwing tests at me. You have to do this, you have to get this done. I think I gave my blood for 7 or 8 vials of blood. So it was, and I'm really thankful that everything came out normal, but it was also adding on to my mental stress that if everything is normal, then why am I facing this?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. So I think it's also imperative from science and from doctor's perspective, it's important. I mean, I'm not discrediting anything, but it's also important that the doctor tells you that, we are telling you to get this test done because of this reason.
Yeah.
So we can, maybe there's a problem here, maybe there's a problem there, but not telling the patient, it's a lot of stress. I think not a lot of people just say it out loud, but I think it puts the patient under a lot of mental stress. Yeah.
That gave me the idea. The more number of tests we ask the patient to undergo, we are making the patient more anxious. शायद वो पेशेंट हो भी ना, लेकिन हम उसे पेशेंट बना देते हैं उसके टेस्ट करवा के. EEG, EMG, MRI, ये ऐसे टेस्ट हैं जो कि हर केस में ज़रूरत नहीं होती, और सिर्फ 2% ऐसे केसेस होते हैं जिनमें ज़रूरत एक्चुअली में होती है. जो कि सर्जरी के लिए जाने वाले केसेस हैं, उसमें ज़रूरत होती है. लेकिन बार बार टेस्ट करवा करवा के, चाहे ब्लड टेस्ट हो, हम मरीज को मरीज ना होते हुए भी मरीज का लेबल लगा देते हैं।
Yeah. Yes.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
Thank you.